Gadget World for the best technical advice.
Xiaomi has been surprising us by introducing a lot of lifestyle products into the market, and they have started with smartphones and they have entered into all kinds of lifestyle products including luggage bags and home appliances and whatnot, and we are these days even getting shoes and t-shirts from Xiaomi. And finally they have also come up with a very interesting product. This is a Mi's portable electric air compressor. And I should say that for the price you pay, this is an amazing device. And there are also other alternatives like the Amazon Basics air compressor, which is coming for a slightly higher price. But this is a very useful device, and if you're owning a car or a two-wheeler, and there might be instances when your tire gets punctured and you'll have to take it to a repair shop. If you have this particular device at your home, it will be very helpful. And during the COVID-19 times also, this can also become very helpful. So this retails for a price of around 2,300 rupees, and it has a cover price of 3,500 rupees. So that's a Xiaomi way of getting things done. They come up with a higher price and they sell it for a lower price, which also kind of makes the customer a bit happy about it. So without further ado, let's open this and unbox this and see what is inside the box. So this is a brand new product, and let's see what's written on the box. It has a title. Again, this also does not come up with the model number. It's written Mi Portable Electric Air Compressor. They might release the next version by branding it as number 2 or version 2, and it's their Mi's motto is here, innovation for everyone. And it has a pressure preset, and it's written small and convenient. Yes, it is small and convenient because if it fits inside this box, which means that it is very small, and it's not also very heavy. And it has a built-in lithium-ion battery, and the battery is 2000 mAh battery, which means that you will be able to at least inflate 2 of your car tires with a single charge of it. Cut it open first. And just like any other Mi products that we have unboxed, so when I open this trademark orange box, I have been welcomed by another white box inside it. So I get a single white box inside, and there is nothing else inside the box. So I'll keep the orange box aside and let me try opening it. And I have a user manual here, so it gives me a fairly large user manual when compared to other Mi devices. So it gives me all the options and explains how to use this device. So I'll keep it aside for the time being. And it does not have a warranty card, so which means that you need to keep your digital bill or your purchase bill to get the warranty. And this is the device itself. So it is not very heavy, and it's built out of plastic. Yeah, it's a plastic build, and it reminds us of a lock, and the front design kind of looks like the old generation iPod. So it has a wheel to it and a bigger display here. It's not an OLED display, it only displays a few numbers and the PSI and a few options. Let's come to that. And here it is the hose which connects to the inflator hose, which connects to your car tires or your football or any other things you planning on inflating. You have a neatly put grill over here, so maybe it is the outlet to pump out all the air. And what else do we have here? So on the bottom we have a battery indicator LED. So we don't have an LED indicator in terms of like 2-3 LEDs. It's a single LED which blinks in different colors, which will show you the amount of charge left inside the battery. So if it is green, which it means that full charge. If it's yellow, it kind of means that you have 50% charge left, and if it is red, which it means that you have less than 20% charge left. So that is about it. Let's keep it aside again. And I also see a small box here. Let's see what is inside that. Okay, what Xiaomi has done is they have also provided us a pouch. So once you start using this product will end up in your car's boot or in your dashboard, or maybe inside the side box of a motorcycle. So what Xiaomi has done is they have given us a good pouch to keep it out of dirt and keep it safe. So it's almost like a velvet like pouch. And we also have a micro USB charging cable. I think it's a micro USB because I saw a micro USB adapter cable on it. Let me open it. Okay, yes, it's a micro USB charging cable, and something else is okay. You also have a pin adapter to inflate your football or any other thing which is or balloons or some kids product which you can, or some inflatable swimming pool or stuff like that, or toys which can be used. So it directly get attached to your inflator hose. So that's about it. Let me take the device itself and let's see what else we can make out of this device. So as I said, this is how it looks like. It does not have a power button, so the way to switch it on is to simply pull out this hose, and as you can see, once I pulled it off, it automatically got the device switched on. So if I put it back in, then it switched off the device. So there is no power button attached to it. They get rid of one additional button, but it is fairly user friendly. And what you see here is right now it's showing as it's a very simple display with a larger display, and there are 4 buttons attached to it in the circle. So this is where you can set the PSI. Right now it's showing a cycle symbol, which means it's 45 PSI, and it's a motorcycle, it's 2.4 bar, which means at approximately 38 PSI, and car is 2.5 bar, which is approximately 36 PSI. And again, if showing a ball, which can be a football or a basketball, it's a standard PSI of 8 PSI. So I can quickly change the settings like this, and if I want to change the PSI to bar, I can long press on this button and it kind of changes to PSI to bar. But it resets every time I restarts it, but still you have an option to reset it. And another useful feature is that it comes also with a torch, very powerful LED torch. So let's say you have got a flat tire in the middle of the night and you want to inflate it. You don't have to use your mobile torch, you can use it directly, switch it on, and then with the help of it you can directly plug it to your car's tire. So that is a handy and a useful feature which comes along with that. So once you set it up, all you need to do is just press on this button, and it's a very noisy device when it comes to the inflating part. So when I press on it, so let's say I'm setting it up for my car, and so I have an option to manually set it for a car. The standard option is 36. So most cars come approximately between the 30 to 38 PSI range. So once I set it up, all I need to do is I need to press this button. So this is how it gets inflated, and when I press my thumb on the outlet, you can see the pressure changing. So basically, just like the air compressors that you find in normal repair stations at the fuel stations, you can set up your tire pressure and press on this button, and once it reaches that level, it automatically cuts off. And if you want to set it up to some particular PSI, you always have an option to manually adjust it. So you also have an option to manually adjust it, and you can also inflate it up to any tire or even bigger tires of some van or let's say a Jeep or something, to up whatever tire which is up to 145 PSI, you will be able to use this device. So that is something very remarkable for the price you pay. So it takes care of all your inflating needs. It can inflate your motorcycle wheels, it can inflate your cars and slightly larger vehicles, and also footballs or basketballs or your toys or anything of that sort. And you also get a cover and other cables attached to it. And another handy thing is that inside the cover you have a small velcro opening inside. It's a small pouch or a pocket inside. So all your charging cables and your pins, all you can do is that you can simply put it inside and close it using this velcro part and put your device. Okay, let me switch it off. So just need to press it here and it gets switched off, and keep it inside, and that is about it. So it's a very handy device, and for approximately 2,300 rupees, it's a very value for money device as well. There are other alternatives like the Amazon Basics, and there are also a few Chinese models which approximately comes around this price. But if you're looking for a device which you can use for long term and which you can carry around easily and which you can charge very easily, I think this is a good device for you. And if you have any questions related to it, feel free to comment on the comment section, and we'll be happy to get back to you about more on this device. So that's about it in this episode of Gadget World. We'll be back with more devices. Till then, bye-bye.
Gadget World, for the best technical advice.